I keep forgetting we're playing CTF. What am I doing right now, bro? Like, why am I not trying to get the enemy flag? Where is the enemy flag? What? Uh-oh. Oh, we're going for the triple here. We gotta reload. We gotta reload. Oh, the triple kill. That might be 5 kills with the AR. I wish it would tell you in game how many kills you had, you know? Well, there's a triple kill, so we definitely got the challenge unlocked. How about that Halo TV series trailer? When the Chief, the BR, like spins up and he goes, whoo, baby, that was sick. I'm ready for March. This guy's got camo. Oh my! Ooh! Where's the over? That's probably one of the best triple kills I've gotten on here so far. Where are they? Oh my god! I have like the habit of looking at my second monitor, like, and I was doing that, and all I was seeing was my. Oh my god! We just wrecked him with the nade play, and we watched the melees. It's just the weirdest game right now, man. Not gonna lie. But anyway, yeah, man. I'm like looking at my monitor over here, and I just was seeing my desktop background and no chat because I forgot that I wasn't streaming. What the heck? Oh my! Halo Legend native himself! Teleport me out of here! This is a system overload of all system overloads. We must go study the flood specimens with Brett and all of the native brigade. Flood specimen, all the flood, all the flood. Oh. Oh my god! I got him from that far out. What the? Hey, hold on! I got shotgun, bro. West side, let's go. What? Where'd you go? What? Westside, where are you? Do you copy? Back to the future? Got the pickup. Huh? Great journey has just begun. We got the Promethean vision enabled right now. Armor 1.0! Got my sword. Got a dual wheel.
Got your little gift. Where you at?
Got a little gift?
Yeah, I got your little gift. If I don't die.
Yeah, no, it looks like we got some enemies in the AO. Oh, are you sure? Don't mind if I do, Spartan. Alright, copy that. Throw a drop wall down for you all up here.
Drop wall deployed.
Cover me.
Oh my god. Yo! What did we just get there? And I can go back. Oh boy. I can go back. That guy got denied. Double kill acquired. I can. Wait, triple kill? Oh my god. Yo, he's over there. I can't get to him though. For the over. Do a gainer. A lot of warriors in the Halo community that enjoy what I'm doing. Woo. I don't know if that Spartan enjoyed that though. How about that triple kill? Oh man, if I would have thrown the nade a little shorter. I get so excited anytime I can get this weapon, even though I'm not that good with it. But wait, it doesn't matter when you have big targets like that. Woo! See you later. There we go. Oh my god. Shock rifle, yes. Get this BR.
One of ours is capturing the zone.
Let's see, do they got a vehicle up? Let's see with that United skin.
An ally has captured the zone.
Oh no! Woo! For the killing spree. Lots of Spartans after this, after those nameplates. Love seeing them, man, for real.
Ammo reserves depleted.
Get out of my face! My Nerf AR will wreck you every single time. Watch this. Watch this, Spartan army.
One of ours.
Oh god.
Ammo reserves.
Hey, we got it to work, but it was not pretty. Killing spree.
Your team is close to total control.
Hey!
Your team has total control.
Woo! Get melted. Oh, we're warming up now, getting a little toasty.
Incredible performance, Spartan.
I'll take a little triple kill. Oh, he's got a grab hammer. And a sword? I mean, come on, fellas. Get out of here. Grab hammer and sword. I love how they both just had him equipped running down at me. It didn't work out too well for him. You like that, Chris? That was pretty funny. That nade didn't do any damage. And then he nades himself.